Hey guys, thanks for joining me today in this video. We get to walk you through this 2027 SKI NAUTIQUE. This one in particular, as you can see, is a black and white. It is the closed bow. Their true ski trick and jumping boat. SKI NAUTIQUE here on the side. We do have a bimini. This is not the trailer for it, but we can get a trailer for this boat. Got the nice swim platform here on the back. And then up underneath is Nautique's micro tuners. So that helps tune the boat, especially for slaloming, to help keep as little awake as possible on this ski boat. You've got a place back here to adjust the stereo. We've got a camera here in the back. You can see the Nautique. Just a gorgeous boat. 2027 SKI NAUTIQUE. Why don't you join me aboard and we can go over the rest. All right, welcome aboard this 2027 SKI NAUTIQUE. Just a gorgeous ski boat. We've got the nice seats here in the back. All three of these pads can come out. So you can pop these all out. And you've got sea deck underneath. New feature that's kind of cool is a place specifically for the slalom ski. You can kind of see, obviously has the shape of a slalom ski. This pulls out and you got them on both sides. Really like these new handles. Just leather wrapped. Got the Nautique logo right in there. Obviously got the ski tow bar right there. We got our spotter seat. There's storage up underneath that goes up to the closed bow. We have the Nautique helm seat, just like in all the Nautiques. And now this boat is standard now with the ZZ6 PCM, so that's 450 horsepower. Just a beautiful engine. And then as we do come up to the helm here, we have the link screen. So you've got all your different options here: slalom, jump, trick, just speed control only. You've got a lot of different things you can do. And we do have JL audio in here. This does have ballast for your trick skiing. Does come with the bimini, closed bow obviously. Just a gorgeous boat. Can't wait to get this thing on the water. If you'd like to get it on the water, you can always give us a call. We can set up demos. But the 2027 SKI NAUTIQUE here in Rogers.